I know my strength is physics, and I am very good at physics till the class 12, but I am not that much interested. That's why I did not want to make a career in that field. Yes, in my family, there are so many members are becoming a professor, teacher, lecturer. This is my inspiration, but my family is not forcing me to become a lecturer. This is my childhood dream. Hello, presentees. A very warm morning to one and all present here. This side Sruchi Singh, one of the student of English Cafe, which is very famous in our Hazaribagh. So thank you, sir, for giving me this golden opportunity to introduce myself in front of everyone. So when I talk about my current address, currently I am living in New Area Hazaribagh, but my permanent residence is Chatra. Now sharing about my family background, I live in joint family. In my family, I have 15 members, including me. My father name is Mr. Santosh Kumar Singh. My father is SI, Sub-Inspector. Sharing about my qualification, so I have did my 10th from National Public School, Hazaribagh, and I have completed my 12th from Inter Science College, Hazaribagh, and my stream is PCM, Physics, Chemistry, Math. And now currently I am pursuing my graduation from VBU, Vineva Bhave University, Hazaribagh, 4-year integrated BA plus B.Ed course. Now, telling about my additional skill, so I have joined English Cafe to improve my communication skill and personality development. If I talk about my strength, so my strength is physics. I am very good at physics till the class 12th, and I have scored very good marks, 90 out of 100, and I am not that much interested, so that's why I did not want to make a career in that field. So that's why I have pursued a graduation from to English honors because I want to become a lecturer. That's all.
Hi Suruchi,
Hi.
this is Anand Kumar Mehta, and your introduction is very well, but somehow I have questions regarding your introduction. So may I ask?
Yes.
Okay, so in your introduction, you don't mention what is your hobbies, what you like to do in your free time.
I like to play a badminton in my free time.
Okay, and apart from this question, I have another question, which is if your strength is physics,
Yes.
then what is the reason behind leaving the physics?
I am not that much interested. I don't know how I scored very good marks in physics. I don't know.
But you mentioned that your strength, and you also know that strength is one of the best part of a people.
I know my strength is physics, and I am very good at physics till the class 12, but I am not that much interested. That's why I did not want to make a career in that field.
So, hello Shruti, this is
Hello.
Muhammad Shahid Razvi, and you represent yourself very well. It's appreciable because you represent all the things related to your introduction at once. And I have some question related to your introduction. May I ask?
Yes.
So, you mentioned a lot of point in your statement, like you want to become a lecturer.
Yes.
So, as we know that in India, mostly people want to become a lecturer in English language. If I talk about the language of all over the world, more than 5,200 language all over the world. But why did you basically all the people choose the English language to become a lecturer?
I don't know why people choosing English only. I'm interested. That's why.
No, I'm not talking about you only. But as we know that if you speak English, people consider you very highly educated people.
Yes.
But English is just a language. Why all the people have this perception?
Why? This is the people thinking now. Why people choose English only?
I want to. What's your viewpoint of view? Because you want to become a lecturer.
Hello, Sruchi.
Hello.
This side Nandini Kumari. As you have already mentioned that you are good at physics.
Yes.
So you are, but you have chosen English as your main stream in graduation for becoming a professor. But I have questioned that you are good at physics, so you can also become a professor in physics subjects because there is shortage of physics teacher also. You can contribute more to our country by becoming physics teacher. There are lots of English professor available in our country.
Yes, I know, but previously I am telling that
Yeah.
I'm not that much interested in physics. I don't know how I scored very good.
But
marks.
if you try, you can become a good teacher. We can get a good professor for a student who can teach a good
No, I teach English
physics.
very good.
Yeah.
And currently I am teaching a student class nursery to class 6.
Oh, in
Yes.
physics.
All subjects.
Okay,
Physics,
you are
chemistry,
teaching
math,
all
English.
subjects.
Yes.
Oh, so there must be some reason for choosing English. Can you share with us?
No any reason.
There must be. Reason are available for all things.
No.
You randomly choose English.
No, in my mind, I'm thinking that I teach student English in very good way, and I'm interested.
Okay.
In physics, I'm not that much interested. That's why
Oh,
I did not want to. I don't want to choose physics.
okay. So basically, you are interested in English more than physics.
Yes.